This is Ella. She lives with her parents. Oh, it is morning already. I feel sleepy. But I must get ready for school.
Good morning, Ella. It is time to wake up.
Good morning, Mom. I am getting up.
Ella walks to the wash area. She starts her morning routine. I wash my face every morning. Now I feel fresh and awake.
My school uniform is here. It is clean and ready. Yes, Ella, your uniform is clean.
Thank you, Mom. I like wearing my school uniform.
Ella stands in front of the mirror. She looks at herself.
My uniform feels comfortable. Is my shirt straight, Mom?
Yes, it is straight. You look neat and clean.
Thank you, Mom. I feel confident now.
That is good. Feeling confident is important at school.
I am ready to go downstairs.
Ella walks downstairs with her mom. The house is quiet and calm.
Mom, I feel ready for school now. I like my uniform today. It feels comfortable.
I am happy to hear that. Comfort is important for learning. What is for breakfast, Mom?
Breakfast is ready. Let us go to the table.
Okay, Mom, let us go.
Ella enters the kitchen. Breakfast is ready.
Good morning, Ella. Please sit down.
Good morning, Mom. The kitchen smells nice.
Yes, I made breakfast for you. It is simple and healthy.
Thank you, Mom. I am hungry.
That is good. Breakfast gives you energy.
I will eat slowly. Ella sits at the table. She is ready to eat.
My breakfast looks good. Yes, Mom. I will eat slowly.
Eating slowly is good for you. It helps your body.
I feel calm this morning. Ella drinks her milk.
The milk tastes good.
Milk is good for you.
I like drinking milk in the morning.
That is a good habit. Healthy habits are important.
I feel ready for school now.
Good morning, Ella. Are you ready for school? Good morning, Dad.
Yes, I am almost ready.
That is good. Did you eat your breakfast?
Yes, Dad, I ate my breakfast. Ella finishes her breakfast. She stands up.
I finished my breakfast. Thank you, Mom.
It is almost time to leave. Please get your school bag.
Okay, Dad, I will get my bag now.
Take your time. Do not rush.
Yes, Mom, I am ready.
Ella picks up her school bag. She checks her things.
My books are inside. My bag feels ready.
That is good, Ella. Always check your bag.
Do you have your homework?
Very good. You are well prepared.
Paired.
Ella stands near the door. She puts on her shoes.
My shoes are on. I am ready to leave. Have a good day at school.
Listen to your teachers.
And do your best. Thank you, I will do my best. We are proud of you. That makes me happy.
Ella goes outside with her parents. The day feels bright.
I am ready for school now.
Have a good day, Ella. Learn something new today.
Be kind and confident.
We will see you later.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. See you later.
Ella gets into the car.
School building is big. It looks clean and safe. My school looks nice today.
Yes, it does. Listen to your teacher. Be kind to your friends.
Yes, Dad. I will remember. Dad waves goodbye. He smiles.
See you later, Ella.
Bye, Dad. See you later.
Ella walks toward the school gate. She feels confident.
I feel ready to learn today. The school gate is open. The day at school begins.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ella. Good morning, Ella.
Good morning. How are you?
This is my school routine. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.
Like this video, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.